Hi, my name is Obunga Guya and I handle content development for PICHA stock. In this session, we will go over what stock photography really is, and I will go over some basics that you can keep in mind while you shoot for stock. So you may have heard the term stock, but probably were not sure of what it means. Stock photography is a supply of photographs, usually licensed for specific purposes. So what does that mean? Supply implies that there's a place where the images and videos are coming from. The way PICHA stock is set up is there are contributors who submit to the platform, and once these images are sold, they get a commission. So that is the partnership that we have with contributors, and that is how we get our supply of images, videos, and soon illustrations. So the licensing part of it is because there are certain permissions that are required by law, and also, just for common decency, when you're going to use someone's work, there's certain licenses and conditions that come with the use of such visuals. So the license operates, as kind of a, safeguard and guarantee to whoever is purchasing the images or video, so that they don't get sued or have any legal claims in the future. Most of the time, PICHA stock will ask for a release form, and this is how we are able to categorize some of the images.